Ramogi TV.
Jotim nonro mag weche thieth koro dwaro mondo migawo ma thiedho kaw pachgi mar chako bad migawo mabiro keto chik mano magayo tiyo gi yath mero ji mar nicotine ma thothne miyo ji bedo gi riyo mar madho ndawa. Man kaluwore gi lipot mano manyiso ni thoth jomadh ndawa yudo tuo mar kansa. Golo nicotine kendo miye ji mantiere kod riyo kawo kokalo kuom ndawa gikoni biro duoko piny kwan mar ji mawito ngimagi nikech tuo mar kansa.
Tobacco is causing cancer and killing people. Okay? We are having nicotine replacement therapies that can be given over a short time, and we hook you off from nicotine. The hook is nicotine. You can't get out. It's like the door is locked by nicotine, and in there you're burning with tobacco. You can't get out. But hook me off the nicotine, I'm free from tobacco. That's why we're saying we're reaching out to the ministry. Let's have a here that we can set for the ministry that we want to be smoke-free. Can we say we want to be smoke-free? Can we first set the target and let the people know that this is our target? You know, and if it is there, maybe we can be informed. Maybe we are not aware that there's a year that has been set as a target.